embouchure is another area that students can often slip into bad habits with. If the embouchure is too smiley, meaning that they're pulling the corners back, you're going to get a thin kind of pinched sound that'll probably be sharp. It'll sound like this. What that does is it puts a lot of pressure up and down. It promotes biting, but also it's often going to cause an air leak. If you have a student who's leaking air, it's probably because they're using their jaw to make the reed vibrate by supporting it up and down rather than closing up all that space with the corners of their mouth. If you have someone who's persistently biting, one thing you can do is to have them actually practice puffing their cheeks out. Now, if you put your finger, like it's the reed, in your mouth and try to puff your cheeks, you'll notice that there's no way you can bite the reed. Can't do it. If I bite, I can't puff my cheeks out. If I'm biting but I puff my cheeks, I instantly go to a rounded, corner-supported position. Now, in practice, you don't really want to encourage your students to puff their cheeks, although there's not any huge detriment to it. But to get them to be able to use the right embouchure, it's a really good tool. So if they start out like this, get them to puff, it should bring their corners forward really quickly.